Google Ad Grants is a program from Google that gives eligible nonprofits $10,000 every single month in free search ads. It's designed to help you raise awareness, attract donations, and encourage more people to take action on your nonprofit's website. Once you're approved, you'll be able to create text-based ads just like regular Google ads that you can run on Google's search network, but instead of paying for your ads, you're running it all through your grant allotment. Are you eligible? Your organization needs to have valid charity status, a high-quality website, and meet all of Google's Ad Grants policies. Want to be sure? Check the link below to our Google Ad Grants eligibility checker. Once you're all set, there's 4 easy steps. Number 1, you'll apply through Google for Nonprofits. Step 2 is to create your Google Ads accounts. Third step is to build campaigns using relevant keywords and engaging ad copy. Step 4 is to turn the ads on and monitor your performance to make sure you stay within Google's guidelines. Why is Google Ad Grants so powerful? Well, it's because you can drive awareness, recruit volunteers, and boost donations all for free. Plus, you get valuable insights into your audience to help you maximize future marketing efforts. There's a few policies you need to remember, like maintaining a 5% click-through ratio and not using any single word keywords. Also, make sure to keep your ads mission focused and be sure to check back in your account regularly to make sure you're staying compliant. All in all, Google Ad Grants is the lowest hanging fruit for most nonprofits to be able to raise awareness about your organization. Looking for more in-depth guidance? We have a longer video that gives you a step-by-step walkthrough on exactly how to maximize all $10,000 every month. You need to watch this next.